Hey guys, if you recently installed the May 2026 Patch Tuesday update, you should be having Xbox mode. But just like me, if you find out that you don't have Xbox mode here, I will show you how you can easily enable Xbox mode even if you can't see the toggle here. We won't be downloading any scripts from GitHub. We'll just go to Microsoft Store. We're looking for a tool called ViVeTool GUI, this one. So we are going to install this app. We are going to open ViVeTool GUI. Once in the feature ID part, you will enter this and then we enable. Then click yes. As you can see, Xbox mode is active. And let us open it. You can show Xbox mode in task view. How to activate the Xbox mode? You just press the Xbox logo. Let's launch the crew auto first.
Vehicles that can go head-to-head with the cream of the crop.
Different ones. We can come back here. Let's see if we can run 2 games at once, but let me try and run a lighter weight game like this. Yes. Should hit you. Anyway, yes. So long pressing this. And you see, you can go back to I'm back in the crew. I'm driving my this. Yes. So guys, that's it for the video. You can switch between as many games as you want. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.